Good morning everyone, 9:10. Good, we're late this morning and decided we're going out again. Going to Skegness, but I might have a drive because I want to go and see a couple of other YouTubers. Hopefully we can anyway, because obviously they don't allow kids, but they're going to wait in the car because it's an adults only site, so I'm going to go and nip and see them whilst we're in the area. So hopefully they're there. We don't know until we're there, so, but it's on the way to Skegness anyway, pretty much. So, got to have our breakfast and that, get ready and then shoot off. Weather today, his phone's now saying we've got rain on and off through the day, so see what today brings. But, if this is a new video, hope you're all doing okay. And obviously if you're new, and you don't know who we are, I'm Jamie. Tina.
Hiya.
Harvey's there, which is too busy watching telly.
Hi.
And Andrew's there. Lily's there. And Kaya is just got out of bed. So, yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit. So, love you all the bits, and don't forget, give us a subscribe. Ta-da, everyone. Hey guys, ain't done a video for a little while.
Hiya.
Guess who we've seen? Well, firstly, we're in Skegness, and people are going to think we're mad. We've already met somebody that said we're mad. Look at the weather, it is pouring down. So we're all going to get a bit wet, we're just undercover at the minute. Take my hood down.
I'll be alright.
Oh, I'm going in there. Guess who we bumped into? Anybody on this channel know Dan and Mazzy from Travel Trolls? Well, I've met Dan. We thought we'd nip into the nurseries quickly, see if anyone was about, because it was on the route.
Neil going out.
Yeah, just missed Neil. So Neil, if you see us anywhere, mate, on this channel, if you see this video, oh, sorry we missed you, mate, but hope you're doing alright. And if anyone wants to catch him, alright, Tina's going in, and if anyone wants to catch him, go onto his channel, Campsite Warden Neil Taylor, or Neil Taylor Campsite Warden. And if you want to be a fan of Travel Trolls, join them on their channel, Travel Trolls TV, Dan and Mazzy. So, I'm going to just shoot in here. Let's go and catch where these lot are. Where you going?
I'm going upstairs to have a look.
Want to go up with you, aren't you? Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Catch you in a sec. Just come up the escalator. Lily! Kaya! Where are you? So, what's this one called? Empire or something in it?
I think so.
I'm not sure which arcade we're in. It's opposite where we parked. We didn't look at the name. Just thought we'll come here for a change, because we went to Maplethorpe yesterday. So I thought we'll come to Skegness, see what's in, and then we see Dan. Well, you saw Mazzy, didn't you?
Oh.
You saw Mazzy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and JP. What's his missus called? Sammy?
Yeah.
And Sammy?
I didn't see Sammy.
So if any of you are all watching, hello. Are you going to say hello?
Hello.
And Lily wants to say hello. Where is she? There she is. So, hello to you all. And we have said to him that we're going to come up to the nurseries next year, so we'll see him again then. Because they basically invited us, said, oh, make sure you come when it's better weather. Yeah, telling me it weren't meant to rain today, and it's absolutely pouring. Typical, isn't it? British weather. If you come into England, if you're not from this country, be prepared to wrap up warm. So, yep. So we're at Skegness. We'll get some more videos when we can, because it's quite noisy. So I'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-da! So here we are. We're actually upstairs. You see, we got the essay. We're just sitting down on these chairs at the window. I will in a minute. See the view? I'm trying to get under that beam so you can see it better. Oh, there's the name. Empire Bowl. That's where we are. Got a nice view in here. We're just parked literally over here somewhere. Over here. Say cheese.
Minion socks.
And Lily's minion socks. Are they wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because she's put them on in this weather. I think she's a bit mad. Yeah. We're all a bit mad coming out in this.
Well, I guess it's out for a bit.
Yeah, saying that. Say it's been stuck in the caravan, doesn't it? And it's the last day because we go home tomorrow. So we'll, if I can see you. Yeah, last day. Holiday blues tomorrow. Don't know when we're getting away again either. No. The only place we're going next is Bradford for the night. Next place we're going is Bradford for the night next month.
Yeah, go see me daddy.
I'm not too excited about it. It's not an holiday, is it? It's Bradford. No, we'll still enjoy it. Hey? You're getting a new wardrobe. How are you? What? Oh, right, okay. So yeah, everybody's in their umbrellas today. Oh yeah, clothes I think you wear. Oh yeah, new wardrobe. I've got what she's on about now. Abby's got some loads of big clothes for us, so I've got to try and fill the boot full of them then.
3 bags.
More than 3. That's just clothes. She's got shoes and that to do as well.
Yeah. She's got more.
Yeah. So yeah, kids are just going to explore, see what's around here, and then we'll take it from there. We're just going to go for a little walk about, see what's here, because I've never been. This is going to sound strange, but I've never ever been to Skegness ever. First time, same as Mablethorpe, same as this East Coast here. Yeah. No, is it? No, it's a kite thing, I think. Obviously, been the Yarmouth and that before, like everyone has really. So yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit when we know what we're doing, because we're not really planning if it was just said, well, come here, that's it. So, like I said, shout out to Neil, because we just missed him, typical that, isn't it? So don't forget he's got a YouTube channel, Neil Campsite Warden, and Dan and Mazzy, Travel Trolls TV. Oh, and also their friends, JP and Sammy, but the only problem is, they've got a YouTube channel each, but I don't know what it is. So you'd have to probably either go on Dan's channel to find that out, or even, well, yeah, you'd have to do that really, because I don't know his channel name for you to have a look. So you all take care, we'll catch you in a bit when we know what we're doing. Ta-da. Hey up guys, I must be mad. Pouring with rain. I'm on the pier. Hopefully you can't hear the music in the background. Oh God, we're on the pier at Skegness. Well, I am. That behind me, just there. There's a massive, I'm hoping you can even hear me. It's a bit windy, I ain't got my tripod obviously. But they've got music on in the background, but there's a great big play area as well inside, so the kids are going on that, because well, you can't do a lot when it's raining like this. Look at it. I need to get some pictures tonight really. See what we can get. Oh, must be mad. Catch you when we're at the end. Pretty much at the end of the pier now. Oh, let's try and get a little bit of footage. I must be mad doing this. I'm sorry if there's a load of wind noise. Look at the beach there behind us. Oh, must be mad. I'll have to get some pictures here, won't I? If I can. I can't really see. Look at it. Let me turn the camera around. Right, I'm hoping you can see now. The sea's quite rough. Don't forget we've just had that storm the other day. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry guys, I had to pause there. Someone else is there. All the little key locks all the way along there that people are doing. We should do one really. But there's nowhere where you can get. We ain't got a key or anything right on. Over there in the distance apparently there's a castle as well. But I'm not going to go there. Not in this way. I can't do a lot when it's raining like this, can you? I must be mad just coming out here, stand here. But you know, these things happen. I need to get a picture. I'll show you this wind thing now and get the information, and I'm just going to get some pictures, so walk over. Right, hopefully you're going to see this. That's what it is. I'm not actually sure what it's meant to do. It must be for generating power, maybe for the pier. But I'm not going to go into it because it's wet, cold and horrible. Yeah, Skegness, wind turbine. Yeah, so I'm guessing this thing must be just for the entire pier, I'm guessing, I'm not sure. But anyway, you can all have a read. Let me see if I can get that zoomed out a bit. So that's all I'm doing. I'm going to get a couple of pictures and I'm off packing because it is cold and it's wet. Say hiya! Harvey, look! Say hiya!
One side here.
Harvey! 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 Look! Here! Ooh! Harvey! we just came out. I'm going to show you how big this place is now. That's where you come in. Sorry about the wind, guys. Tina's just coming out. There's one door, the arcades, and then the play area. It's just in there, and it goes all the way down there to the pier, which I've shown you. So this place is a huge place. Back to the car now, I think. Have a nosy on the way, and then basically shoot back because we've got dinner to do, chill, and do whatever we're doing. So we'll catch you shortly. Ta-da.